Yeah, come down there too. Why you try people wish money?
Which money?
Of course, some. Yeah, come on, man. Yeah, here you. You have video. Hey. All right. Jerry. You're cool, Papa. It's nice, you know? Really nice. Guys, it's lovely here at Somerset Falls. Lovely. If you should ever visit Jamaica, make sure you stop by Somerset Falls here in Portland. Beautiful. What a nice to see. Hey, boo boo. Look at you have fun there, though. Eh? Well, I come back that way.
I want to make the river come down. Wait.
Exactly.
Where's the fuck going to do?
Exactly.
You can drill the rock. I'm cutting the second and do the. I will find you know. Rock like this, you know, if you don't have to them after that time.
Really?
Yeah, all those things.
So guys, at this point our boat is here and we are ready to go for a boat ride, you know, to see how beautiful this fall is. I'm not gonna promise y'all guys, I am a bit timid honestly, so you will not see me coming out of this boat or any of my family members. We're just gonna see how it looks, you know, around there.
Guys, we are enjoying. Like it, Joey? Yes. Oh, you're enjoying your boat ride?
So guys, honestly, it was frigid. It was so cold under the falls. You know, we're told that, you know, it hasn't rained for a bit, so this is why the water is, you know, this limited coming down. But yeah, it was really chilly and exciting at the same time, a bit scary for me because it's my first time really, going underneath, a waterfall like this. So yeah, but the water is so beautiful as you guys can see, and it was a nice chill overall though. Yeah.
Wow! Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Like it, Jerry? You like it, baby? Wow, these men are brave. Guys, it's lovely. For me, I'm a bit timid, but it's nice. Guys, my hubby wanted to go and dip, and I'm like, no, I'm scared for him. 32 feet? My poor husband, we can't swim. Oh, Papa, you having fun right there? Guys, I was terrified when I went under that fall. Honestly, I was like, I need to go. Especially when it started to get dark. I'm telling you, but it was nice. Honestly, it was nice to go 32 feet. Me if you're going at 32 feet? No. Babe, don't make him pick you, know. Them they broke off your finger.
Bite you or not pick you?
Oh, baby. Hi, cutie. You're so pretty. Hi. Pretty? Hi. You like ladies? Yes. You like, I see you watching the lady. You like pretty girls? You like pretty girls? Don't do that, baby. Pretty? You like pretty girls? Pretty? Yeah, come not like you. So guys, here we had wanted to go in the pool, but our feeling had changed after a little bit. So we just allowed the children to swing around and just, enjoy the rest of the remaining of time that we have here at Somerset Falls. People look how German brought down people have seesaw. No, baby. No, I'm not doing it. No. Guys, look where my husband want me to go. No. One. I don't do it. He want to make fun of me.
So guys, after we had left Somerset Falls, we headed out further into Portland. What I really love about my beautiful Jamaica, or our beautiful Jamaica, is that every turn you turn in the countryside, there is the sea. It is just a beauty to behold, and it's just amazing. Jamaica is just amazing. So now guys, at this point we're entering Port Antonio, and here we decide to stop by to get something to eat, whatever we come up to. Guys, the sea is just everything for me. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful our beautiful Jamaica is. Where are all my Jamaicans? Come on, comment down below how beautiful our island is and where exactly in Jamaica are you located. So guys, we're stopping by the juice beef patty to get some patty quickly. Fishes. Those fishes are huge.
Look at the elephant fish.
Oh wow, that's an elephant fish?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at the fish.
For those who don't know, you're looking at Jamaica. Jamaican $20.